In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a crab step by step. For a more detailed breakdown of this process, including still images, be sure to follow the link in the description below or visit howtodrawstuff.com. Start your drawing by drawing a simple oval. In this case, the oval is slightly turned. Also draw a couple of shapes for the beginnings of the front claws of the crab. Add some segmented lines for the legs as well. Now add a couple more developed shapes for the rest of the crab's claws. Add a bit of detail to the face of the crab here too, like the lines in the picture. Next, you can finish the segmented parts of the legs. Be sure to use the lines that you drew in the previous step as a guide to do this. Once you've done this, it's time to add some details to the shapes that you have drawn. Add a few details to the claws and make the main body of the crab's body a bit more rigid. You should also draw a couple of eyes and use some wiggly lines to add some interest to the face of your crab. Now you have enough information to finish your drawing. Just use the shapes that you have drawn as a guide. You may choose to go over your lines with ink and then erase any pencil lines that may remain. Be sure to make the ends of the claws dark so that the finished drawing is a bit more realistic. And that's how to draw a crab step by step.